This program is the sample that we did in class on Tuesday, which is an example of an append child. So here is my HTML where I have the body. Inside the body is an H1, a paragraph tag, 2 lists, another paragraph here, and in my script, right down below here, here are my DOM statements. So I created 2 variables. I'm going to add a new paragraph using the create node and append child statements. So the new paragraph variable is going to be used to hold the new node. And then the paragraph array is what I'm going to use to figure out how many paragraphs I have on the HTML page. So here's the first statement here where we create the node. And I'm using document.createElement, and I am creating a p tag. So in quotation marks is the tag name. The next statement then appends the newly created node into the parent. So I'm going to append child to the body. So notice I have document, then body, then append this new paragraph. So the new paragraph being my p tag here. Once I have that done, I want to add some content, right? So at this point I have the p tag, but there's no data in there that displays. So I'm doing that down here using inner HTML. So I'm going to use document.getElements by tag name. This is going to return all the paragraphs in the page in an array. So this is just an example here of what we could do. So if you use this variable now holds the full array of all the paragraphs. So paragraph array at index 0, change that inner HTML, and that's going to overwrite my very first paragraph in the page. So if you go back up, here's the first paragraph in the page. It's going to overwrite this content here. And then I'm using this logic here to change the inner HTML of the newly created paragraph. So paragraph array at index paragraph array dot length -1. Right, so dot length is going to tell me that there's 1, 2, 3 paragraphs. So it's going to be at index 0, at index 1, at index 2. This returns a 3. Subtract 1 to get to 2. 2 puts me here at the newly created paragraph. So I'm going to change that inner HTML to this is the new paragraph. So when you launch this page, right here, this is the new paragraph. This would be the 3rd paragraph on the page. This is paragraph 0. That's the one we changed the text for. This is the 2nd one, and this is the 3rd. So it's 0, 1, 2 in your array index.